Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about parts of speech. Parts of speech. Noun. A noun names a person, place, things or idea. For example, dog, cat, horse, student, teacher, apple, Mary and etc. Sentences. They lived in Madrid. This is my cat. Pronoun. A pronoun is used in place of the name of a person, place, or thing. She, they. Verb. A verb is a word or group of words that describes an action, experience. Example: realize, walk, see, look, sing, sit, listen, and etc. Here are some sentences. I like orange. Come in, please. Adverb. An adverb tells how often, how, when, where. It can describe a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. For example, loudly, always, never, late, soon, etc. Sentences. My cat eats quickly. She spoke softly. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. For example, red, tall, fat, long, short, blue, beautiful, sour, bitter, and etc. Sentences. We like big cake. I have 3 pencils. Preposition. A preposition is used before a noun, pronoun, or gerund to show place, time, direction in a sentence. For example, at, in, on, about, to, for, from, out, of, after, and etc. Sentences. She was hiding under the table. There is some milk in the fridge. Interjection. Interjections express strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation point. For example, bravo, well, aha, hooray, yeah, oops, phew, and etc. Sentences. Wow, what a beautiful car. Oh no, I can't believe that it is snowing here again. Conjunction. Conjunctions joins words or groups of words in a sentence. For example, and, because, therefore, moreover, since, or, so, until, but, and etc. Here are some sentences. I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. I was watching TV when she came in. Subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.